this is the time it's going to save, this is the money that it's going to save, and this is the revenue it's going to generate for you. It's going to check for any calls that took place in the last hour. It's going to grab the audio from those calls. It's going to split the audio out. This is just a step to normalize the file name and remove this if node because this only applied to the other workflow. And then I'm going to change this last node to Notion instead of Airtable because the client in the prompt mentioned that they use Notion. I'm going to send a message via Gmail, and it's going to provide a summary of the call, which was transcribed from the Zoom audio by OpenAI. And then this model, which is just GPT-4, and I'm going to give it explicit instructions like, here's how I want you to modify this transcription to make it relevant to the user, which is the potential client. Okay, so now going back to the notes from our potential client. So let's make sure that this hits all of the points that they mentioned. So in this case, even though they mentioned specifically Calendly, that's not a tool that we need to include in our workflow. And that's because of the limitations of the triggers that are in Calendly. Plus, we can just use Zoom to grab the audio and then transcribe that. So after the call, send that little summary, and that's what our GPT model is going to be doing with the transcription. And then it's going to include a link to book a package. So the follow-up email is going to be pre-written. It's going to be the same every time. And all it's going to do is dynamically change the potential client's name through the N8N mapping. No need to paste a manual link every time. That's going to be automatically taken care of in N8N.